In this video, I will be showing you how to add your picture inside text like this. So don't forget to subscribe, like the video. Let's start. Go over to text, add your text 25. That's what I need. Click OK. Then increase the size. Go over to font and choose your font, the font you want to use. In this video, I will be using these fonts here. Then add color. Add your color. Add stroke. The next thing you need to do is to copy it. Copy it. Then let me hide one and work on one. Let me hide this one. Then go over to shape. Please don't forget to subscribe. Do well to subscribe in this channel. Here is the shape. Now choose color. Then send the shape to back. Place this shape. Don't place it like this or like this. Place it around somewhere like this. Place it like this. Then you go over and image them. Image both of them together. Image them together. I've imaged them. Then erase the color. Remove the yellow part. You can increase the tolerance. Click OK. Import the image you want to use. Then copy the image. Place them together like this. Then hide. Remove one. Then we are working on this one. Send it to back like this. This is what you have. Then image them together. Image this one and this one together. Image them together. This is what you will have. Then let's go over to erase color again. Use the color picker and erase this part. This is what we have here. Click OK. The next thing to do is to bring in this one to front. Bring it to front. Then go over to max. You see what I did? Enable max. Then use the max. You can see it, but the neck, look at the neck. I want to make it look more presentable. Bam. I like it like this. We have gotten what we want. Then you lock it. You lock it like this. Remember this 25 here, we need to bring it out like this. Need to bring it out. This is what we have. Then lock it. This is what we have. This is what we have. We have gotten it right. The next thing is to merge all of them together. You can now export. You have gotten it right. So you can now export your image. Save your image. If you want to save, go over to this place and save your image like this. Very simple. Please don't forget to subscribe and like the video. Thank you.